Are you an adrenaline junkie? Do you like to live dangerously? Or do you have a career that some might consider dangerous? Did you know that can impact your ability to get life insurance? My name is Jake Williams, and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance and the role that it can play in a financial plan that is built around you and your goals, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified immediately anytime I upload a video and you never miss one. So what I'm talking about is the hazardous occupation or the hazardous hobby exclusions that you would typically see in a life insurance policy. And what it does is it's there to protect the life insurance company from having to pay unreasonable amounts based on the likelihood of a catastrophic event. So really what that means is for the hobbies, we'll go into that one first. If you enjoy doing things like scuba diving, skydiving, hang gliding, some companies will list things like rock climbing, horseback riding. Those are things that they consider hazardous activities because statistically, you're much more likely to suffer a catastrophic injury or death from those as opposed to someone who, say, is a hobby of golf. That's just the math. It may also include occupations. If you are a pilot or a logger or you work on an oil rig or are an offshore fisherman, those things have statistically higher probabilities of catastrophic injury or death as opposed to an office job. So a life insurance company may put some sort of exclusion onto their policies. And there are a couple of different ways that could go. First of all, it may simply completely prevent you from being able to get covered. If you're a skydiving instructor and you are jumping multiple times a day or every day, that's going to be a very risky occupation according to the life insurance company, and they may not cover that at all. You may have to just pay a higher premium for the increased likelihood of an insurable event happening. Or the life insurance company may explicitly exclude catastrophic injury or death from the listed activities in the policy. Now, how each company handles that and how each policy handles that is going to vary widely. So you need to make sure you're reading the fine print. If you're someone that does enjoy scuba diving, for example, you need to make sure that that isn't going to void any type of life insurance policy that you have or be excluded from any type of life insurance policy that you have. You've got to read the details. If you've got questions on if a policy that you would be looking to get covers it, make sure you are reading through the fine print, talk to a professional, make sure you know. Right? So if you've got questions on, is this covered in a life insurance policy, or does this keep me from getting covered? Drop me a comment down below. Lets me know the kind of questions you guys have, and it might be something I can turn into a video later. If you like this video, if you thought it had good information, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know I'm doing a good job. Lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job, and lets everybody just know what works. And most importantly though, if the information that we talked about today is something that you think applies to you, you want coverage, but maybe you have one of these more hazardous hobbies, there's a link in the description below where you can apply to become my client. Go check it out. There's a masterclass where I give you some information for free, and then we sit down face to face to figure out what works for you, what fits in your budget, what works for your goals. Most importantly, though, in the meantime, please make sure you're taking care of your now, your future, and beyond. Thanks for watching.